welcome back to my channel, and I hope everything is going great with you all. And this is the look that I created for my Vat Savitri Puja occasion. And if you wanna know how I created this, then keep on watching. So let's start with the eyes first, and for that I already applied the sellotape so that we get the sharp edge, and I'm also applied the LA Pro concealer all over my eyelid and blended it with my beauty blender so that the eyelid gets properly prepped for the eyeshadow. And now I'm setting it with the Maybelline's loose powder, and it's in the shade light medium. I'm going to take the two eyeshadows, that is the Blazing and Eden, at the same time and apply it above my crease line, and this will act as the transition shade. Next, I'm gonna take this burgundy color, that is the saffron color. It's reddish brown, with the same brush and apply it just below the transition shade. Now I'm gonna cut the crease, and for that again I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer. And now I'm gonna use the color Nefertiti. This I discussed with my hubby as I was confused between Celestial and Nefertiti. So here it goes all over my eyelid. You must have noticed that I did not set the concealer with the setting powder. The reason is the glitter eyeshadows give more payoff when directly applied on the concealer without setting it up. Now it's time for the eyeliner, and for that I'm using my L'Oreal's Black Gel Liner, and I'm applying it with the same brush it comes with. So this is how our eyes are partially done, and now let's move to the base makeup. So before applying my foundation, I'm gonna apply the primer, and the primer is from PAC, and I've already applied my moisturizer, sunscreen lotion, and for foundation, I'm using Nykaa Skin Genius, and this is my current favorite foundation as it's very light in weight, and also it's very good for daily use or when you don't want full coverage. I've taken quite some amount of foundation and directly applying it with my wet beauty blender. In my previous video, I applied the foundation with the help of brush, but what I feel is applying foundation with beauty blender gives us more coverage and it gets blended very easily and properly. This is what I feel, but you can, if you are comfortable with the powder brush, you can even use that. For concealer, I'm using my Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade Tan Light. Little amount is enough, just in my usual places like under my eye area, chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead. Blending it with the help of my wet beauty blender. I'm going to set my foundation and concealer with my Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder. You can use a powder brush, but here I am again using my wet beauty blender. For bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution London's bronzer in the shade Bronzer Kiss, and for that here I'm using this kind of brush. Let's get back to the eyes, and here I am tightlining my lower waterline with the help of this liner. It's burgundy in color. Now taking the same saffron eyeshadow, I'm gonna blend my lower lash line with the help of this slightly angled fluffy brush. Taking the Blazing eyeshadow in the same brush, I'm gonna blend the edges of saffron so that it looks seamless and not harsh. I applied a single coat of mascara, and this is from Maybelline, the Falsies Push Up Drama in black. and I'm gonna apply the falsies. That's why I have used a single coat of this. For blush, I'm gonna use the stick from CHAMBOR, and it's in the shade Crimson Peachy color blush. I'm directly taking it on my blush brush and tap it on my hand and right on the apples of my cheeks. Little bit on my chin. For highlighter, I'm using my Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and applying it with this pencil brush. Let's fill in the brow quickly, and for that I'm using the brow pencil from Etude House. For lips, I'm gonna apply this new lipstick from CHAMBOR in the shade 2997, but before that I'm gonna fill my lips with the same lip liner. So yeah, this is the final look that I created for my Vat Savitri puja. Here I just added falsies, earrings and bindi. That is it. Rest everything you have seen, what I did and what not. So yeah, this is it for today's look, and if you like the look and if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Also do follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. The links are given in the description box below, so do check that as well. And yeah, in case if you are wondering about my sari, this is the sari I am wearing. If you are wondering about this, so this is the sari that I snatched. It belongs to my mother-in-law, and I just took it from her because I just loved it. It's so simple, so classy, and I just loved it, so I took it from her. The blouse is mine, and it is also stitched by my mother. This is it. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye.